What do you think, Drew?
I'm the number one.
Well, he can look at that one too.
Wait a minute, Kate. Let him do it.
Oh, it's your dad.
Yeah. Oh, you want to?
Push it with your foot.
Come on, Dad. Let's get it.
Andrew, put your foot. Kate, show him to do one foot.
What do you think, Drew?
Sam.
If you do that, Kate will think you're going to do it all the time.
Yeah.
Drew.
Open the box.
You want to see what's in the box?
Go ahead, go get it. Say I only need one foot.
Mm-hmm.
May I can open?
I'm the number
In a minute, he's going to come and see.
Drew. I can open it. Mama, I can open it.
No, wait for Drew, please.
Drew, come on. You like that, though?
I'm video recording, just so you know.
Hey, you start this? No. Drew, come on.
Let's put this on the table.
Come on, Drew, maybe you can show him how to do one foot. What's that?
Choo choo.
Drew.
See?
Well, look, one thing at a time.
Put your foot up. Put your foot right there. Go ahead.
Look at there. Hold on.
Try to get him to put one foot up. That's a boy. No, one foot. One foot. Show him one foot, Kate.
No hitting.
That was a really direct hit, you know. One foot. Show him again with your
Thanks,
foot.
Vinny.
Look at Hunter. Look. Drew, look at his feet.
No, you're sitting down and learning your balance on this one. Wait to try to get Drew to. Drew, can you come open your another present?
Come on, it's something cool. Yeah, you don't like it. You don't like the dad. How you feet stuff?
Come on. Hurry up.
You gotta open that.
There you go.
Wait, open that.
We should have gotten him the motorized one.
What did he see?
Come on, let's open it.
Side up.
Go open it. Open it.
There's a zipper in the corner.
What is that, Andrew? Uh-oh.
Okay, lay it out flat.
Lay it out gently.
Okay.
Honey, turn it on.
Yep, turn it on.
Okay.
All right, Drew, go step on it, Drew.
You can't see it. It's smart.
What do you think, Drew? That's gonna be kind of hard. Hey guys, you wanna let Drew try it, hun? Let Drew try it by himself. All right, Drew.
Sing, Drew. Stand.
Drew try it on his own, please? All right, Drew, go ahead.
Can I
Step on the piano keys. There you go.